Activity News Program Workshop. Virtual Education, the Training Opportunity of the Century. This year of 2020 was, exceptionally, the propitious scenario to demonstrate that virtual education is an optimal learning context and a great opportunity for academic training for this century. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, which forced the suspension of face-to-face classes in hundreds of universities around the world, the only students that did not directly affect were precisely those who chose virtual education as an alternative for improvement. Thank you, teacher.